Hey, what's up guys? Here is the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G in awesome graphite color. So I'm going to unbox it. And seriously, we all know what will be in the box, but it will be your first look on the graphite color. Maybe if I'm not wrong. So let's quickly unbox it. Galaxy A56 has 3 cameras on back like the Galaxy A55. So what will be the new changes? We will see. And here, wow, it's graphite color. On box cover, it was looking fully black, but actually it's not. We can say it light black color or grey. On front, like iPhone, Samsung added the paper cover on display instead of the plastic. And yo, same iPhone feeling. Now let's turn it on and keep it on side and see what's more in the box. As usual, there is an envelope, and on back of it there is a SIM ejecting tool. And inside of envelope there is a few paperwork and this USB to USB-C cable and no power adapter. Pretty simple unboxing, and there is nothing else in the box. On the back there is glass, which is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Good thing in this budget. And honestly, I fell in love with the back design of this phone. Simple and pretty decent. So it's turned on, a new look. Let's set it up. Here is the home. Pretty colorful as it's in One UI 7. There are many changes in the design of the user interface. Battery icon is more round and small than One UI 6. Display is pretty smooth as it's in 120Hz. Overall, the first look of this phone is impressive. If I talk about the frame, it's in aluminium. Volume rockers and the power button are on the right side. Left side is totally clean. Top has the noise cancellation mics and the bottom has SIM tray, USB-C port and speaker. The glass back give it feeling of premium. It's a good thing from the Samsung in this budget phone. Camera is extremely eye-catching, although I don't like few things about it, which I will discuss in the upcoming full review. It's IP67 water and dust resistant, so soon I will upload its water test on this channel. Display is 6.7-inch Super AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate and 385 ppi density, and the brightness is 1900 nits peak, which make it easily usable outside in sunny day. Colors are crispy and enjoyable. The punch hole camera looks clean and adds to the overall sleek design. And Samsung trimmed the side bezels on the Galaxy A56, giving it a sleeker look, but bottom chin still stands out. And in terms of performance, it comes with the Exynos 1580 built on the 4nm process. And I have variant of 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. There is Android 15 installed with One UI 7 on top. The main camera is 50MP, 12MP ultra wide and the 5MP macro. Here are the few shots I took with the Galaxy A56. Soon I will do its complete camera review. So this was the quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A56. What's your opinion about it? Please let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Peace for all.